So are you struggling with how you can record your video, how you can stay confident on camera and make your YouTube videos from scratch? In this video, I was explain how you can stay confident on camera, how you can record your video, your background, microphone, and also your camera gear. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Joseph Yakubu. I teach YouTube growth, automation, and online businesses for beginners, and also help creators and business owners grow online and monetize their YouTube channel. So let's get started. So number one step you need to do is to get your camera ready, put it on your camera, whether it's on a ring light or you can just use a book to support it, use an object to support it, like I'm doing right now. I'm recording inside a car, which is not a well neat background, yes, but I'm still managing here. Put your phone steady on a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can put an object behind it to support it. So number two is your background. Your background, you need to record in a well neat background where light can come in. If you don't have a ring light or softbox, you can sit near the window when sun is coming in there. So, or you can just sit inside your car like this. This is my dad's car, by the way. Inside car or outside front of your house, anywhere that is neat that sunlight can come in. I'm using natural light, as you can see. I'm using natural light. So number three is pick up your camera, set it up on a tripod or use an object to hold it and hit that record button. Even though you don't know anything that you see, just start saying anything that you know from your head. The expertise, anything, just anything that you know, what you are good at, start saying it. It might seem like you are speaking rubbish, but it's valuable because it helps your brain to reset your brain that when you repeat it so many times, your brain will adapt to it and you see the camera as a normal thing. So you don't need a perfect camera. Microphone, that one is necessary, but you can, if you don't have a microphone, you can record in a less noisy place, like inside car like this. Close all the doors. You can see I'm using the phone microphone. It might sound somehow not neat, but it's manageable, right? It's manageable. Then your background don't need to be perfect also, because it's even the content you are providing, the value that you are providing is what matters. How you can help people, how you can create a solution for a problem, look for a problem and provide a solution for it. People watch it. The more, because if you solve someone else's problem, people are going to come back for more. When they have problem, they'll come to you, you solve their problem. This is how you grow your YouTube channel. So I want you to pick up the camera after this video. You can save this video to your watch later, or you can either download it, pick up your phone, set it up on a tripod or an object, hit that record button. If you don't know what to say, you can use AI to generate script for you. Ram it, start saying it, record it and don't post it yet. You will watch it over and over again. Do this for about 1 full week. After 1 full week, you start seeing changes, and that is when you can start posting about 30-second shot of your video of yourself, maybe on Instagram or on YouTube here. Then this is how you'll be progressing from 30 seconds to about 45, 60 seconds to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 15 minutes and beyond like that. So that will be all for today. I'll continue from here in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. I do appreciate that. Love you guys. Peace.